Good job, Rex. Good job, Jamie. This is going to be so awkward trying to catch all the equipment together at first, but you guys will get it. There you go. Stay up with the Rex.
Where are we going now? Show me.
Rex, heel. Good boy.
Heel Rex.
Good job. There we go. Good job, Jamie. Good job. Guys are doing good. Can you pet Rex and tell him it's okay? Good job. That's good. You tell him, Rex, it's okay. Good boy. Good.